Hello everyone, this is Bapuji from Appleton Innovations. Welcome to this Internet of Things training session. In this session, we are learning about Arduino. If you would like to build Internet of Things projects, but a lack of knowledge is preventing you from making a start, then Arduino is a perfect solution. Then what is Arduino? So Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. It is designed for prototyping various products. Arduino is the first choice for artists, hobbyists, students, professors and anyone with a gadgetry. So I hope you also will enjoy doing experiments with this Arduino development platform. So why use Arduino? So Arduino we are using because it is inexpensive when compared to other platforms. It is a cross-platform because it runs on Mac operating system, Linux operating system, Windows operating system, and Raspbian operating system, and many more. And the Arduino software is easy to use for beginners, yet flexible enough for advanced users. So this is the reason why most of the hobbyists, artists, researchers prefers to use Arduino. At the same time, it is easy to prototype any product in the shortest time using Arduino. If you want to prototype a drone, it is easy to design and test the drone using Arduino. What is a prototype? A prototype is an early model of a product to test a concept or a process or idea. For example, here you will see robotics, Internet of Things, automation, energy systems. If you want to build a product in any domain, first you need to test the concept. So that is prototyping. So in prototyping, you have an idea and you want to convert that idea into a product. For building a prototype, we use Arduino hardware and software together and we test. So what is Arduino hardware? So this is simply an Arduino Uno board. If you see here, you will see Atmega 328 PU microcontroller. This is the brain of the board. We can interface sensors, actuators with GPIO IOs of this microcontroller. And then if you see here, you will see digital pins 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are all digital pins. We interface LEDs, buzzers, motors and relays with these digital pins. And if you see here, we see analog pins A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. There is a total of 6 analog pins. Analog pins are used to interface analog sensors with the board. So for example, you can interface temperature sensor, RTD, resistance, temperature detector, thermistor, and in nature there are so many analog sensors. So if you want to use analog sensors, then you have to interface those analog sensors with these analog pins. And if you see here, you will see different power pins. There are like V in and ground 5 volts, 3.3 volts. V in and ground, these pins are used to power your board. At the same time, if you see here 3.3 volts and 5 volts, we use 3.3 volts and 5 volts power output to power the sensors and actuators. And if you see here, you will see USB connector We use this connector to connect our board to the computer or maybe to the laptop. If you see here, you will see a reset button. As the restart button in your PC starts the system, in the same manner, the reset button restarts the Arduino. When you restart, your code starts from the beginning and the hardware resets and everything starts from the beginning. Once you are familiar with the hardware, it is easy to write the code and upload the program to the Arduino development board. For writing and uploading the programs, we have a software called as Arduino IDE. While writing a program, first you should know how your system works. The first step is drawing the flowchart indicating the process. The next step is to write the code. So the code that you write in Arduino IDE are called as sketches. After writing the code, next step is check it for errors and then upload it to the Arduino development board. So after uploading, then you will see the magic. The system starts working as per your requirement. So this is Arduino software, that is Arduino IDE. IDE tells your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. Hope you understood what is Arduino and how we can use Arduino, why we need to use Arduino. In the next sessions, we will be learning Arduino programming. After learning the magic of making things with Arduino hardware and software, now you can invent anything. I hope you enjoyed this short session on Introduction to Arduino. Stay tuned. Happy learning.